Okay, there's a big old bear in the backyard. Hey, are you here for the live feed? Boy, you are a big sucker. Oh shit, oh man, dude. He's not too happy. You got cubs? What's your deal, dude? Oh man, I think I'm just gonna, hey, have a good night, okay? Yeah, we're just gonna go back in here. Wow, I don't know what was going on with that. Dude, she looked kind of grumpy. She's not here for the live feed. Okay, we're going back inside. Dude, it's crazy. I didn't know they would hiss like that. Like, man. Yeah, we're going back inside here. Welcome to North Carolina. Yeah, go away, please. Must be some kind of garbage night thing, because the garbage is out. Oh wow, she's just posting. Man, she's just posting there, folks. Dude, that's crazy. She must have cubs somewhere. Yeah, the way she hissed. Oh, there's a cub, I think. Let's look back here. Yeah, she must have cubs somewhere. Yeah, let's just let her be. Okay, that was kind of exciting. Yeah, live feed coming up. Okay, folks. We're out here in a place called Scareview. Actually, it's called Fairview. Some locals call it Scareview. We'll get into that later. We're going to the finish line powder coating right here, and this is the last time you're going to see this in OG yellow paint. So we'll go from here. I don't think this guy's going to let me do a video of him doing all this, but maybe when we come back I'll get permission. Let's see what's going on. Here we are, they're doing stuff. Okay, it is dropped off, and I chose a color that's just about the same as that Schwinn emblem I have. I just eyeballed it. It was pretty close. Nice place here. Guy's really cool. His name is Justin. And finish line powder coating. Yeah, and it's out here in Scareview. And so yeah, he said I could do a video. He's really busy now, but when I come to pick it up, he said I could do a video of some of the processes, you know, just a quick overview of the business, so you guys can see what happens at a powder coating place. You know, not that it's incredibly interesting, but you know, if you see me drop it off and then I pick it up, this will be in the part of the video like, oh, it's transformation. It's you know, you're dropping it off and then you're picking it up in a different color. And I'll bring the Schwinn emblem with me and we'll match it up. I just eyeballed it. It's a little off. It's not really Schwinn cardinal red or anything, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. It's kind of like almost an orangey red. And I think that Schwinn emblem that I have is going to be right on the money. You know, it's a custom bike. They didn't offer that color for that year. And sorry, all you Schwinn purists, you know, it's... I can just see the comment section blowing up. You ruined perfectly good yellow, sun yellow paint. Or lemon. Well, they didn't have cool lemon. They just called it yellow. So, yeah, we're out here in Scareview. And some people call this Scareview because it's really steep, and the views, people build on really steep property, And so when they build on the steep slopes, the view is scary, so they called it Scare View. But other local people have a different reason for calling it Scare View. And some of the other neighborhoods that don't have fancy homes, let's just say that holds true as well. But the real name is Fairview, and but locals do call it Scare View. Anyway, thought I'd let you know. And too bad I have to drive all the way out here to drop it off, but it's the cheapest place going. There's a place in Asheville, but they charge like an extra 40 or 50 bucks. And the last time I brought something there, they didn't do a very good job. And I hate to say it, I'm not going to pinpoint their name or anything, but it was kind of it wasn't the greatest job. And I've had bring some railings. I brought railings to this guy before, and he's right on the money. The quality is there, and the price is there, and it's just him and his dad, I think. I'm not really sure. It's a family business. Anyway, there's this Volkswagen place up here. We're gonna stop and just take a quick look at some bugs, because I know you guys love that too. Rusty Volkswagens across America. Okay, if they let me do a video, I don't know. Well, we're gonna check in. I'll see you in a minute. Whoa, Scare View! Okay. We're at V-Dubs of Asheville. And they got some nice stuff here. This one's for sale. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Wow, that is clean. Wow. A couple little chips there, a little rust on the bottom. Not too bad. Wow, it's got the little plaid interior. Oh man, the plaid interior. Love it. Looks like it's been to the District of Columbia. Well, yeah, it's got Washington, D.C. plates. Wow. Somebody was driving this around in D.C., huh? It's in pretty good shape. A couple little rust pockets and a little divot there. This side fared a little better. Yeah, it's in nice condition. Some rust bubbling happened. Maybe an older restoration. I don't think this is original paint. I'm not an expert on these though. Far from an expert. Yeah, I think this has been masked off and painted. Pretty sure. I don't see any overspray though. They did a really good job. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. If they did, they painted the interior or they matched it, because the doors are green inside. You know, what's your thoughts? You guys think this is original paint? I don't see any overspray anywhere. The chip. Yeah, I just don't see any overspray. Looks pretty good. Not always. Those always chip there. Oh, I think. Anyway, yes, nice car. Got these over here. All customers' cars. Wow. I don't know if I'm supposed to be filming in here. He said I could look at that van. Straight filming. That's a nice one. This Dodge truck is pretty cool. Like some conversion of a camper from Maine. Wow. Okay, let's get out of here before he gets angry I'm filming. He didn't say I could film, he just said I could look at something. So I looked. It's a nice truck, kind of like mine, but four-wheel drive, getting painted. That's good. Yeah. Let's get out of here before we get in trouble. There is a Buick over here. I did ask if this Buick was for sale, and he said no. That this is obviously not a Buick. I asked if this Buick was for sale. The Sabre. The Sabre. Looks like the window had a little problem. Nice model with the chrome. Yeah. I think there's a Jerry Garcia sticker on there. Imagine that. There's a Doom buggy, a Myers Manx back there. Wow. Okay, we gotta go. Enough messing around. Rusty Volkswagens across America. Yeah, we gotta get out of Scare View. Although the guy was really cool here. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay. Bye.